Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a hot dog while we learn Spanish. We start drawing the bread. Bread in Spanish is pan. Inside, we put a tasty sausage. Sausage in Spanish is SALCHICHA. This is the sauces that in Spanish is said SALSA. It looks good. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say hot dog in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown. That is said, MARRÓN. We use dark brown, which in Spanish is MARRÓN OSCURO. Now ketchup, which is red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Let's see if you know the answer. Hot dog in Spanish is PERRITO CALIENTE. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.